Hello, we are at the 10th SPIE Asia Pacific Remote Sensing Symposium, and with me I have the General Director of the Mexican Space Agency. Tell us more about what the Mexican Space Agency is doing.
The Mexican Space Agency is very happy to visit this wonderful country, invited by the ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, with which we have signed a very important collaboration agreement going from space communications, space observation of the Earth, technology, and human capital formation. In the specific case of Earth observation, we are targeting the common challenges for the population, for the world, which is climate change, environmental issues, and the natural disaster management from the space perspective. Very soon we will have an important workshop in Mexico with visiting scientists from India and given to the Mexican actors, Mexican officials from the natural disaster management, from the national security, and also other actors, including the academy people, in order to put together a joint program on this very important issue in natural disaster management, in which we share common challenges like landslides, storms, floods, forest fires, tsunamis, volcanism, and other man-made disasters.
The conference also, there is a lot of talk about collaboration, international collaboration among the space agencies. Why is this necessitated?
No individual countries, even the more developed, can develop the space systems, the space networks, or the space solution together. We have to work together. The challenges are immense, the challenges are very, very big, and the only way is international cooperation, not only between space-faring countries, I mean space developed countries, but including the developing countries that provide the needs, but also can provide complementary solutions, users, and that will be very good for developing countries as Mexico and other Latin American countries, in which through the cooperation we not only solve the problems, but we gather, we acquire technology, human capital, and also we develop our industry in some particular and complementary technologies that will come together with a global approach to these big challenges.
So which are the other countries Mexico is collaborating with in this space?
In different perspectives, we have collaborations, especially with France, which is co-organizing of these activities, but also we have collaboration, of course, with NASA in the United States, with the European, like France, Germany, and Italy, also with Japan, with Ukraine, and with other countries. Also, we are collaborating with the Latin American countries, not only Brazil and Argentina, who are the leaders in the southern hemisphere, but with other countries in South America, Central America, and the Caribbean. Of course, we want to extend our cooperation with other countries in the peaceful uses of space, and not only in natural disaster or environmental, but also in the communication satellites, and even in scientific missions in which Mexico can provide the talent, can provide the university, and also manufacturing some subsystems of these big missions in the humankind activities.
What, in your opinion, the governments could do to encourage uptake of Earth observation for governance as well as businesses?
The more you survey, the more you measure, the more you monitor your systems, the best you are developing and controlling and reaching the planet results. And the environment is one of the examples. From space you can monitor more than 20 variables out of the 50 or 60 that are necessary to monitor the global change. Real time is what modern society needs to monitor, to take decisions, and to control all the activities. The other thing is broadband. Broadband for communications, peer-to-peer, broadcast, next generation internet, convergence of systems, mobility, and of course surmounting the digital divide, both in the access and the use of new technologies.
That would be all. Thank you.